This isn't normal manufacturing. It's engineering on a different planet. These parts are bigger than cars, each built for mines where failure isn't an option. This monster survives the harshest mines on Earth. Here's how they build it. In modern mining, scale decides efficiency.
A single truck must move over 400 tons every cycle.
Terrain, slope, and distance define the truck's DNA.
Every component is designed for extreme ground forces.
Power isn't about speed, it's about controlled force. These machines run day and night for decades. Millions of tons moved over a single lifespan.
Every requirement becomes a measurable specification.
And that's where the build begins.
The truck's strength begins with its frame.
Every plate follows precise structural calculations. This frame must survive millions of load cycles.
These welds carry hundreds of tons.
This frame defines the truck's lifespan.
Every joint is inspected before moving forward. This suspension carries more than weight. It controls stability at extreme scale. Every strut acts as both shock absorber and structural support. The axle must survive years of continuous overload. Torque control at this scale demands absolute precision. Stopping power is engineered into the axle itself. Alignment here defines how the truck behaves under load. Pressure settings tune the suspension's response. Smooth rotation protects the entire driveline. Every component proves itself before installation.
The truck is now ready to carry its future load.
This engine is designed to move 400 tons continuously.
Every component is built for extreme load and endurance. Installation tolerances are tightly controlled. These mounts absorb vibration and torque under load.
Electrical systems handle extreme current and heat.
The drivetrain multiplies torque for steep haul roads. This connection transfers power to the wheels.
Gear reduction manages enormous wheel forces.
Thermal control protects the powertrain.
The heart of the truck is now in place.
Stopping 400 tons requires industrial-scale braking. These brake units are built to absorb extreme energy. Multi-disc systems spread heat and load evenly. Hydraulics deliver consistent braking force. Cooling is critical on long downhill runs. These hubs carry extraordinary loads. Installation tolerances are extremely tight. Every fastener is torqued to specification.
The truck is now ready to move, under its own weight.
Electrical systems must survive vibration, dust, and extreme heat. Every cable is protected for decades of harsh mining use. Power is centrally managed for reliability and safety. These sensors continuously monitor truck health.
The cabin is designed as a protected control center.
Isolation systems reduce fatigue during long shifts.
All controls are built for clarity and durability. Operator inputs are electronically monitored and verified.
Every system is tested before movement begins.
The machine is now ready for operational validation.
This engine is built for non-stop work, measured in decades, not hours.
The block carries every load, mechanical and thermal. Size doesn't reduce precision. Requirements increase.
Balance protects power and everything connected to it.
Every stroke transfers tons of force.
Air, fuel, and fire controlled precisely. This step locks the engine's foundation. Motion begins here. Only proven power moves forward. This transmission handles forces measured in thousands of kilonewtons. The torque converter multiplies engine torque for heavy starts. Every gear mesh is verified before installation.
This is the heart of the haul truck.
Power is transferred to the axles with minimal loss. Control systems manage shifting under extreme loads. The drivetrain is now ready for full system testing.
Suspension carries the full weight of the truck, loaded or empty.
These struts absorb shock from uneven haul roads.
Each unit is installed under strict alignment control.
Mounting torque ensures long fatigue life. Axles transfer load directly to the ground. Axle placement defines stability and steering geometry. Joints are built to move under extreme weight.
These tires alone can weigh several tons.
Precision mounting prevents uneven wear. The truck now carries its own weight.
A truck of this size depends entirely on hydraulic power.
These cylinders raise hundreds of tons, repeatedly. Mounting points are reinforced for extreme stress. Every line is pressure rated for harsh mining duty. Flow control must remain perfectly balanced. The pump converts engine power into lifting force. Clean oil is critical for long service life. This system controls the entire dumping operation. Pressure and response are carefully monitored. Hydraulics complete the truck's core function. Electrical systems give this machine awareness and control. Every cable is routed for protection and reliability. These control units manage thousands of signals in real time. Sensors monitor heat, pressure, speed, and load.
Movement sensors protect the truck during dumping.
The operator interface is built for clarity and safety.
Every control input is electronically verified.
This is the first full systems wake-up.
Engineers verify communication across all systems. The truck is now electrically complete. The operator cabin is designed as a reinforced safety cell. Every surface is engineered to protect the operator. Critical joints are welded to strict structural standards.
Corrosion protection ensures long service life.
Electrical systems are installed before interior panels.
Controls are positioned for fatigue-free operation. The seat isolates vibration from the massive chassis. Visibility and impact resistance are carefully balanced.
The completed cabin is now ready for installation.
The operator's command center meets the machine. This is where all systems finally come together. Every joint is locked to exact load specifications. Hydraulics are activated and stabilized.
The truck receives power for the first time.
Engine behavior is verified under controlled conditions.
Primary controls are validated for precision. Dump operation is tested at full range.
Final approval is granted.
Built to work where few machines can. Before painting, every surface is prepared for long-term protection. This primer shields the truck from corrosion in harsh mining environments. The final coating is designed to survive heat, dust, and impact.
Every movement is tested before carrying any load.
Braking and power systems are validated under real conditions.
The truck is officially cleared for service.
From factory floor to mine, ready to move mountains.